Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE Academic and PTE Core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. The invention of the printing press by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century revolutionized the production and spread of information. Before this, books were copied by hand, making them rare and expensive. The printing press allowed for mass production of texts, drastically reducing costs and increasing availability. This innovation led to higher literacy rates and the wide dissemination of new ideas across Europe. It fueled major movements like the Renaissance and the Protestant Reformation by enabling the rapid spread of scientific, religious, and philosophical works. The printing press also contributed to the standardization of languages and the rise of public education. Overall, it marked a key turning point in history, democratizing knowledge and shaping modern society. The lecture explained that Gutenberg's printing press changed history by making books cheaper and more available. This increased literacy and spread new ideas fast, helping movements like the Renaissance and Reformation. It also helped standardize language and education. The printing press was a turning point that made knowledge accessible to many. Sustainable urban planning focuses on creating cities that meet current needs without compromising future generations' ability to thrive. This approach integrates environmental preservation, efficient resource use, and social inclusivity. Smart cities use digital technology and data-driven solutions to improve urban services such as transportation, energy management, and waste reduction. By integrating sensors, Internet of Things devices, and real-time analytics, smart cities can optimize traffic flow, reduce pollution, and conserve water. Additionally, sustainable urban planning encourages green spaces and renewable energy use to promote residents' health and lower carbon footprints. Together, these strategies create livable, resilient cities that balance growth with ecological responsibility. The lecture described sustainable urban planning as designing cities that protect the environment and support communities. Smart cities use technology to improve services like traffic and energy use. These methods reduce pollution and waste while promoting green spaces and healthier living. This approach helps cities grow responsibly and sustainably. Startup success depends on multiple key factors beyond just having a good idea. First, strong leadership is crucial, as effective leaders set clear vision, make quick decisions, and motivate their teams. Second, assembling a competent and dedicated team with complementary skills helps execute the business plan efficiently. Third, identifying and targeting a clear niche market ensures the product or service meets genuine customer needs. Fourth, timing and adapting to market changes are vital. Launching too early or late can cause failure. Finally, securing sufficient funding and managing cash flow carefully provide the financial stability needed for growth. Successful startups also continually seek customer feedback to improve and scale sustainably. These combined factors improve chances of long-term success. The lecture said successful startups need good leadership to guide the team and strong teams with the right skills. Understanding the market and launching at the right time are important, as is managing money well. Listening to customer feedback and adapting is also key. Together, these factors help startups grow and succeed. Globalization has connected the world through technology, trade, and communication, impacting local cultures and languages significantly. On one hand, it promotes cultural exchange and allows traditions to reach global audiences, enriching societies. However, globalization also threatens cultural diversity by spreading dominant languages like English and diminishing smaller, local languages and customs. This can lead to cultural homogenization, where unique traditions fade. In response, many communities are working hard to preserve their languages and heritage through education, digital archiving, and cultural programs. Balancing globalization's benefits with preserving local identity is essential for sustaining cultural diversity in our interconnected world. The lecture discussed how globalization connects the world, spreading culture, but also risking local traditions and languages. Dominant languages grow, causing smaller ones to fade. Communities try to save their heritage with education and technology. Balancing global integration with cultural preservation is key to keeping diversity alive. Sustainable business practices involve strategies that minimize negative environmental impact while promoting social responsibility and economic viability. These practices include reducing waste, conserving energy and water, using sustainable materials, and ensuring ethical labor conditions. Companies adopting sustainability can lower operational costs by improving efficiency, such as going paperless or using energy-efficient technology. Moreover, sustainable businesses enhance their brand reputation and attract conscious consumers and investors who value environmental and social responsibility. Employees also tend to be more motivated and loyal in companies committed to sustainability. Ultimately, sustainable business practices foster long-term success, help combat climate change, and contribute positively to communities and the planet. The lecture explained that sustainable business practices reduce environmental harm and promote social responsibility. These include saving energy, reducing waste, and ethical work conditions. Sustainability helps companies save costs, improve reputation, attract customers and investors, and boost employee motivation. Overall, it supports long-term success and benefits the planet. If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.